what shape you were in and how doctors helped you.
Okay. Well, when I first came in was late March of 2014, and had been involved in an accident. My neck was hurting tremendously. I'd gone to the ER. They had given me pain pills and muscle relaxers, and after a day or so of that, I was like, I'm not going to do this. So I tried to do without, and within just a couple days, I was in excruciating pain. So I called the office and was able to get in right away. And he was able to help me not only with my neck, but several of the other things that were going on, which I had no clue could even be helped. I guess the biggest change that I saw was my sinus issues, because I had severe sinus issues every winter through the spring. I would just be in excruciating pain all through my gums and my ears, and headaches every single day. And I didn't say anything to him about that, but boy, I'm telling you, after a visit or two, I was like, wow, this is nice. I had gone from taking probably anywhere from 7 to 8 different types of medications a day for that to 0. So I'm thrilled, just excited. And then probably another thing that I noticed was I do a lot of stairs at work, climb a lot of stairs, and I could never get to the top of a flight of steps without stopping and breathing. And I had gone in previously, had some checks done on that, run some tests, and doctors couldn't figure out what was wrong. And it wasn't long till I noticed I was climbing stairs without having to stop and catch my breath and, struggle to breathe. So that was a real plus as well. And then I'd say there were so many things that were improved. The carpal tunnel syndrome, just the symptoms of that, they're gone. I don't struggle with that anymore. And I had a real problem with incontinence. Just a chuckle and I would have problems. And so wasn't long. I didn't have any of that anymore. So that was like tremendous. It's always nice to not have that issue. So I would say there's been a lot of changes going on, and just the overall feeling well. I can tell when my spine's out of line. I start feeling a little rough. I used to cough constantly, drive my husband nuts, and I know it was the sinuses draining. Not doing that anymore, so I'm feeling great. He has done tremendous help for me.